One breezy morning, Playful Puppy woke up to a surprise, a windy day. The wind swirled leaves and twigs through the air, inviting Puppy for a chase.
Wow! Look at all those leaves. Let's see if I can catch them.
Puppy ran and ran, chasing the leaf through the park.
Come back, little leaf. You're too fast.
Just then, Bluebird joined in, also trying to catch the leaf.
Hey, Puppy! Let's catch it together.
Great idea, Bluebird. Let's do this.
With a little teamwork, they finally caught the leaf.
We did it, Bluebird. Woohoo!
Yay! This was so much fun.
As the wind kept blowing, Puppy and Bluebird sat back to watch the leaves dance.
Maybe tomorrow we'll catch an even bigger one.